awesome. That's your very own. I'm so impressed.
Really?
Maybe she'll go out with you now. Just kidding, Megan. Sorry.
You ruined the shot.
Sorry. You made me miss.
Look what I.
Okay, ready? Everybody's in place to go? All right. Everyone? Yes.
Done.
Okay. Silence.
Okay.
The other thing is now that we have the projectors and everything set up, I can tweak the amount of 3Dness and actually see what, I mean, before I was just down in the basement, I had two monitors.
Yeah.
I was looking back and forth and saying, well, that one's kind of this way and that one's kind of that way. And I can see. I think you want to bring the music up at the place where the theme changed, and then take it down to where we can just barely hear it and then run that.
Back to the bed.
Betty doesn't know whether to focus on this or you and have it on autofocus.
Like when I looked out, like when I closed my left eye, the right image was single, but if I closed my right eye, I could see both images with my left.
Right.
Filter was tight.
He told us the very first night not to screw that one up, and we did. He also told us to make sure everything was plugged in so we'd have power.
Me, not me.
That's smart.
I'm not part of that.
Just kidding, Steve.
Well, that's good.
Talking to Tim or Tom?
Music, sound, what?
They have to get a chroma key.
You want to do this with the lines, just so that these people who have to do light changes and the driver.
Are you zooming? That was zooming. There's light cues for all the times when they go in the space out. Every time they separate from their own bodies, there's a light cue. Every time they go back.
Not yet.
I'm not being chroma keyed in now because.
That way.
Okay.
In the first scene, do you have pencil and paper up there to write things
No,
down?
I don't.
Okay.
I'll
have
get
some.
that.
In the first scene, you will be on 0, him, because it's just be way too much confusion.
Yeah.
This won't be on. Okay, but as soon as they start going into their daydreams,
Right.
that's when it'll just come on. You got to pick him up, so you got to have that thing aimed on him, and you never have it on him perfectly when your frostbite isn't on. It's just
Okay, Jeff.
Senior?
Of course, junior. Okay, Lance.
I'm a graduate student. Graduate.
We got the gamut there, don't we? Okay, thanks, guys.
wave of fire.
You still need me up here?
Of course, sit down.
Okay, so going back to the beginning of scene 2.
What?
To this?
To this?
Yeah.
This is the adding machine. This is where we hide the actors backstage. We're setting them up on a chroma key right now, where the computer fixes on a specific color, in this case green, and it blocks out everything that is that specific color,
I see.
so that we can place the actor in front of the image that the computer is producing. It's kind of like your weatherman. We're back here at the adding machine backstage, a place that Ron Willis said that if he had a choice, he'd buy a ticket for back here instead of out front. Right now, we're setting up the chroma key. It's kind of like a really dramatic weatherman, where we block out everything of a specific color, stick the person up on the screen in this nice little computer image. It's really high-tech. It's really cool. Tweet, I'm here.
I will cut.
I'm being called.
Okay.
Okay, so that'll be a large fry, Big Mac, and a large Coca-Cola. Thank you. Hi, we're here at the adding machine backstage, where we are just now doing a chroma key with a stand-in for an actor. It's kind of like a dramatic weatherman. Backstage, by the way, is where Ron Willis would prefer to go, because as far as he's concerned, this is where the real action is.
Oh, is that so?
That is.
We're ready, man.
Hey, you stepped into the adding machine where dreams are found.
Did we?
Yeah,
What you doing there, Andrew?
I'm putting on lipstick.
Okay. Mr. Paulette.
No. No, that's somebody else. You got the wrong guy.
Oh. Hey, Brian, what's going on?
Nothing.
Nervous?
No, we had a full crowd last night, so why be nervous tonight, right?
Yeah, I guess so. Well, we're in here doing makeup. We're all dead, it seems like.
Yeah. 16 to go.
Oh, boy.
Catches the light.
I'm excited about your building, which is why I dressed up.
Okay. Unlike me, I got a color that can match that area.
So maybe I'm turning to be more like you.
Or your film.
It could be. It could be.
You're going.
I'm getting younger. They're not clothing, but they're yummy.
Somebody told me yesterday that when they grow up, they want to be
There you go.
Oh, Steve, you're sparkling on your hands.
Hey, Betsy. Yeah, they added that.
That's very cool.
I got these another 40 years.
Was it spirit gum all over your hands?
So you just in your black knee
A
socks.
hairspray.
You probably don't know what I did with them, to tell you the truth.
Hey, opening night. What are you feeling?
What am I?
What do you? How you doing?
What do I feel? I feel pretty good. Last night I think was more like opening night than tonight.
Right.
So hopefully the audience will get the jokes better tonight. But last night was such a fabulous show. So
I agree.
are you enjoying yourself?
I don't know if I agree. Yeah, I think so.
Are you?
I'm getting you in the mirror.
All right. How you doing? Hi.
All right.
Hey, check out these eyelashes. I think that when I blink, the entire audience will move.
Really? I believe it.
Pretty fabulous, huh?
Not bad. Hey, Natalie.
Hi, Fixer.
Hey.
Hello, Steve.
How old are you? You're a grad student, right?
No, I'm not.
Megan.
Hey. What?
You're all smiles.
Yeah, so are you.
Really?
And your hands are all shiny.
There's
Do you hear
it.
the music?
He's glitter boy.
I do.
Really?
I hear it all the time.
Good.
It looks like we ate it.
Ready? Sure. What's up, man?
Not much, man.
How you doing? How you feeling?
I'm doing pretty good. What's that glitter on your hand?
They added that tonight.
They did?
Yeah.
Like a new kind of sparkle kind of touch there.
Yeah. All right, I'm taking out.
Okay.
She's not naked.
No, but he gets us both.
Hi. My name is. I'm 1 through 6.
Oh,
What do you think of that?
stop acting.
What?
Be yourself.
Myself?
Yeah.
Okay. This is.
I like your hair.
Do you really?
They finally got it right.
Yeah. Mark probably likes it too.
So darling in
All
a
right.
flopper hat. Say hi.
Hey.
See, a smile. Because that's what it looks like, yeah.
Here we are, opening.
That's right. You and I are the only really alive people in the show.
I know, I know.
Although you still have kind of funky makeup.
A little bit.
Yeah.
But it's not dead. Neither's yours.
No.
Okay, here's my hands, by the way.
Woo, check them out. Woo.
Okay, I'm taking out.
All right, bye.
Can I film you? How about if I film you?
No, I got me on a little bit at least. You want? If you want to, you can.
Take a look at the nails.
How's that? That better?
Look at the nails and the lips.
Good. Blair's a.
I'm a camera hog.
You are.
I am. I'm happy about that. And I have these lovely red nails and these. Oh, look at these legs. Can you deny these legs? Woo! Stop it! You can't see up my dress.
Fine. Andrew! Beatles, sing something. Something.
Help! I need somebody. That's the wrong song, wasn't it?
Yeah. I'm fading out.
What's that?
I'm fading out.
Mm-mm.
Make sure you don't drop it, man. My parents would kill you. No, it isn't. You want to get my jacket on?
Hi. You go get them.
Don't waste the opportunity.
They're all together. See, look.
Okay.
Hey, Tweet, come on. It's been really fun.
Well, it's time
It's been
to
so
go
fun. It's
Say goodbye to all.
to here we are again.
I had to.
So long,
yes.
farewell. I'll be there saying goodnight.
I think this will probably be the last shot then for tonight.
You gonna shoot every night?
Or just for I'll shoot closing and that's it.
Say what?
I'll shoot on closing, or when we end it. And I always do opening, closing. That's it. All right, Brian. Have a good show.
Thank you. You too, Steve.
All right. And let's hope it goes well.
What you doing there, Steve?
Just filming a little bit. I figure this will be the last best night,
Yeah, you're probably right.
Play with what?
Decorate with cards if you
Kelly.
set them up.
Hi, Steve.
Hey,
Don't I look beautiful
But
tonight?
it's good.
Ravishing.
Oh no, Steve's got his video.
Want to hear a
camera
joke?
in.
Sure.
Okay. Did I tell you a joke last time?
Maybe.
Oh my gosh, it's a video camera. I didn't even see that there.
Don't take another picture of the stupid bird. I'm over here.
I like the bird.
I'm the other stupid bird.
I'm the other stupid. Have you seen the picture in there, the Polaroid? When I'm like, breasted pushover. My name's Blair. I'm gonna do traditional hi mom. Hi mom.
Number one.
Number one. We're number one. Going all the way, baby. These are my legs. These are my stockings. I've actually seen men who've had conversations with my knees before.
And I've seen it too.
That's right.
I don't know. I guess I'm just
Climbing telly poles is really terrible.
It's virtual shadow puppet theater.
Always look up before.
See, we
Hey, Betsy.
wrote a sketch.
How are you, Steve?
Okay.
You know, if land starts without you guys in
Wait,
place,
do I look
I'm
at you or
gonna
do
be
I look
upset
at the
with
little
both
circle you're
landscape
Don't matter.
Okay, I think I'll look at that. Okay, this is my joke. Oh dear. Okay, this guy's doing a science project, right? And he has this grasshopper, and he pulls out one leg, and he goes, grasshopper, jump. And the grasshopper jumps 4 feet. So then he pulls out another leg, and he goes, grasshopper, jump. And the grasshopper jumps 2 feet. So then he writes down with 2 legs, grasshopper jumps 2 feet. So then he pulls out another leg, and the grasshopper jumps 1 foot. And he goes, grasshopper jump, and it jumps 1 foot. And he writes down with 1 leg, grasshopper jumps 1 foot. So then he pulls out the last leg, and he goes, grasshopper jump. And the grasshopper doesn't do anything. And he goes, grasshopper jump. And he still doesn't do anything. So he writes down with no legs, grasshopper is deaf. That's an alley joke, all right. It is.
Yeah, that's an alley joke.
I need to just.
You know, if your breath smells like fish, sometimes birds go for that.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it's right here. I don't think I've had fish in a couple days.
I
didn't say you had fish. I just.
I've been trying to find ways to stick in my
Here's your
Is
time.
there a way we can
I'm shy. No, what? I'm queen of denial. No, I'm not.
Claire talks to her niece. Or no, somebody else talks
People
to
talk
her.
to my niece. For me.
You gonna see the shirt back there?
I'm queen of denial. No, I'm not.
Got your mother tonight?
Yes.
She's a lovely. Hold it.
What did she do?
I have
Like
dibs on her.
tap dance for the entire.
In a crowd, and I
Steve.
want to find Blair's
Yes.
There wouldn't be much trouble.
Virtual reality curve?
You're a
Yeah,
schmuck.
that's
Look what the bird did to my finger.
Too close.
It's too close.
Macro it, buddy.
Got it in focus.
It's bleeding
Just do a gender.
a little.
The pet is smarter than the.
Say goodbye. This is the last shot so far in this section.
That's it. And watch this time. We got 2 more shows. Well, 3 more shows, including this one. Fuck off.
Glitter. Actually,